Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom on Apple Watch. It's a fascinating project that brings a classic game to a tiny device. You'll need a few specific tools and a bit of patience, but the result is truly impressive. We'll cover everything from the necessary hardware to the actual gameplay experience. Get ready to game on your wrist. To get started, you'll need an Apple Watch Series 4 or newer for the best experience. A Mac computer is also essential, as you'll use Xcode to compile and install the game. Make sure you download the correct Doomport application designed specifically for Watch OS. These are the foundational steps before diving into the technical installation.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: while you're enjoying retro games, why not enhance your audio experience? Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
The installation involves connecting your Apple Watch to your Mac. You'll then use Xcode to compile the Doom application and push it directly onto your watch. Don't forget to transfer the original Doom WAD files. These are crucial for the game to run. It's a technical process, but entirely achievable with careful steps. Once installed, the gameplay experience is quite unique. Controls are cleverly adapted, utilizing the small touchscreen and the digital crown for movement and actions. While challenging, it's surprisingly playable for a game on such a tiny screen. Just be aware that your Apple Watch's battery life will take a significant hit during your demon-slaying sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.